Hi, I've got some audio here that I recorded with a contact mic and I'm interested in stretching a piece of it. So this is what it sounds like normally. Now I'd like to stretch that out to see what it sounds like slowed down. There may be some interesting sounds there that I could use in a sound design. So how do we do that? So if you notice, we're in the Edit tab. So let's go to the Fairlight page. Let's make it a bit bigger. And we're already in the place where we are. We want to get these sections here. So how do we do that and stretch it out? Okay, right click on the track itself, go to Elastic Wave, and in the drop down menu select General Purpose, then use your Control key, make a selection, back to where you want to go, Control key again, make another selection, let's narrow that down a bit, go onto one of the markers and simply stretch it. Go on to the other marker, simply stretch it. Now let's listen to that slow down. Okay, so you get the gist. You could stretch them out further, or you could even compress them by going to a marker and squashing them up even more than they were before. There. I'm not going to play that here now. And if you want your track to go back to normal, simply right click, go to Elastic Wave, go down to Clear Timing Points, click on that, clear, and now it's back to normal. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.